welcome to Crispy Reviews and Tips once again. So today we're going to learn about the benefits of lavender oil and different ways of using it. So let's go. Lavender oil is extracted from the plant Lavandula angustifolia, and it is a multi-purpose oil used to treat different conditions like anxiety, depression, nausea, insomnia, eczema and menstrual cramps. Lavender oil is believed to have antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and sedative effect, so it is widely used in aromatherapy. It is generally considered safe to be used by adults in moderation. So now let's see different ways of using it. For steam inhalation, add few drops of lavender oil to steaming hot water and inhale the steam like you do your regular steaming. Always remember to keep your eyes closed and do it for not more than 10 minutes. For bath, dilute lavender oil in any carrier oils like coconut oil or almond oil. This helps disperse the oil really well. Add it to your bathtub. Soak yourself as long as you feel relaxed. For skin application, dilute lavender oil in coconut oil or almond oil in 1.5 to 3% for body and 0.2 to 1.5% for face. But always remember to do a patch test before you apply it on your skin. As it has antimicrobial properties, it helps eliminate acne causing bacteria, and as it has antioxidants also in it, it helps boost collagen and it reduces fine lines and wrinkles. So how does lavender aroma work? Well, when you breathe in the fragrance of lavender oil, the molecules of lavender goes into your nasal cavity and sends a message to your brain. And as the neurons in the nasal cavity are directly connected to your brain, it calms the brain waves and relaxes you and relieves stress. So here is 100% pure lavender oil from Tegu. So this is the oil, and it also comes with a dropper. So I'm going to use this lavender oil in my simple diffuser. I'm adding some water. Add about 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil to the water. Now allow the water to heat up and vaporize and enjoy the fragrance. So hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching. See you soon in another useful video like this. Until then, bye.